Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or maybe it's a good night depending on where you're watching us from. And as always, this is Shifting News, your great channel with amazing views and wonderful videos cutting across different places, cities, episodes, and we are saying thank you to all our returning supporters. You are great people to us. You mean a lot to us. And we say welcome to another community spotlight here in or on Shifting News. So today we are going to do a special video. And I hope you remember in our last video where we were doing episode of Limuru to Odhiru, we mentioned about at least highlighting some of our followers as we move on maybe, and one day we'll be doing live videos. So today I will be screen recording from the phone. So allow me to set the screen recording feature, and we will be moving on. So for those who are visiting us for the first time, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And if you wanna do business with us, our email is open, our phone number is open, and any other support that you would wish to accord us, we are very open. You can also buy coffee for us. There is a link for buy me coffee in the description of this video, and also we have M-Pesa, so you can always opt for one of them. So without maybe wasting more time, I wanna say Shifting News is a great brand, and thanks to you all who are always here giving us that support. So in this feature, we are talking about, we are taking a moment every week to appreciate you, our amazing subscribers and supporters, for who you make this channel, and you make this channel so fun. So I'll be scrolling and trying to just see where we can. Yes, we can find this. So as you can see, maybe I hope you'll be seeing from the screen recording I'm using. When I come to the community tab, we have some very beautiful things here. Within the last 28 days, we have had 140 comments. Then we have our returning supporters, that is around 9.7 thousand. And currently we don't have unresponded comments, but maybe I'll just read what is highlighted here, the previous comments. That is the video from Limuru to Nairobi, which was episode 5. So we have Dinesh Slania. Dinesh says jambo, habari yako. Once again, thanks, love you sir. Siku moja taka kuja Kenya. Love you all Kenyan people. Jambo from Leicester, England. And we say thank you for the love and for the support from England, Leicester. And yes, you can also watch the video and just go to the comment section. You'll see what we replied. Then we have Dave Paco. Dave Paco is from the US and says brilliant video as always. And this Dave Paco has been here supporting us, commenting on our videos, and also funding some of our trips. And we say thank you for that amazing love, for the amazing support. And he says this is such a beautiful and scenic area of Limuru to Nairobi Highway. Kenya is so beautiful, and I wish our people and our political class knows that. They would guard Kenya jealously and be proud of our country. We would elect progressive leaders who truly care about our nation, our environment, our roads, and our infrastructure, especially roads. What do you think about that comment that Dave has made? Maybe you can recommend your suggestions, and also you can respond to Dave Paco. Sometimes we always have the big dream for our country, and that's why we have supporters like you. And now we had another video that is the Nairobi CBD without hawkers. We did some, should be a month ago, that was in February 2025, and we have one of our supporters who has commented on that video, that is 13 hours ago. That is Mr. Kenneth Kinyui. Says they need more markets for them, and Nairobi Matatu should be next, then small houses to give way to tall skyscrapers, and government should think of building affordable offices and workplaces and places of business, sio kulala tu. Yeah, that is now the concern of some of our supporters, and we hope such comments can always, or such suggestions can always get to the right authorities and maybe implement some of these suggestions we get here. So about skyscrapers, right now in Nairobi, what do you think about skyscrapers? Because most sections in Nairobi now, I don't know what you can say. Apparently, we have, there are sections where we have more buildings than trees. So we also need to focus on the green cover. So thank you. By the way, continue supporting us, continue coming in the comment section, because you are great people. And as we said, right now we are here in the YouTube studio community tab, just showing you something here and there. And here is where YouTube actually helps me identify some of our top commenters, most engaged viewers, and loyal supporters like you who is watching this video. So today we just want to go through some of these highlights, shout out a few of you, and maybe even respond to some of your comments. And I wish that is what we have already done. So maybe as we continue, let me just say thank you for all supporters, all subscribers. We are now 8.3k and growing strong. And as one of us always says, 10k is our journey. We are on the journey to 10k. So share our videos, help us grow. Just let others subscribe to this channel, and we say thank you. So first of all, let's check some of our top commenters this week, and YouTube shows me some of those who have been engaging with us, and sometimes funny, sometimes insightful comments. And honestly, we love reading these after every upload. You know, that is how we do it. So maybe now on the community spotlight, where it says weekly highlight of your most engaged audience members, including your top commenters. And surprisingly, we have the first one, that is Trevor Gesora, CEO. And you can see we have more than 100 plus comments. So probably let me just go to this account and see the latest comment he made. And you can see on this channel he has 100 plus comments. And this is one of our subscribers and supporters who has been here since we started. And we say thank you. So the last comment he made was on the epic bus journey, that is Gilgil Delamere, and that is Naivasha. And he said, let us just see, he said, Leo umeimba, nice intro, I just love your videos and narration. The bus driver pia anaona ako fine, anajielewa, his skills and overtaking calculations are good. I love the trees and ambience. that they create such a wonderful view. Good work, Shifting News, and keep up the uploads. Shifting News forever, the journey to 10K subs. And we say, Trevor, thanks for always being here. You have been our core support system, and we say we are not giving up anytime soon. So that is Trevor. And our next, we have EDM, has 5 comments. That is now one of our supporters, and maybe we can read the last comment he made. So it was about the sad reality of Nairobi's Moi Avenue service lane. So he said, so there will be no parking on the service anymore because those lines they are painting are confusing. So maybe you can, if you're watching us, you can recheck our video we did about the Moi service lane, which was under construction, about the sad reality. So, and the next one is Hapal Gajera. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, or Hapal Patel. And this one has been supporting us for the longest time possible. And we say thank you for having been here, just always giving us that support. Maybe we'll read one of the comments he made. So we have 91 comments from Hapal, and has received 87 hearts from us. So it says received one of the highest number of hearts from Shifting News. That is us to our supporters. And the last comment was on Nairobi facelift, that is the UN tunnel, and said, beautiful Nairobi. And for real, Nairobi is so beautiful. What do you think? So to our new visitors, this is Shifting News. We ask you to join this amazing family. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And our next highlight is Daily Pharmacist. I don't know if this is the real name, but now you can see he's called Leon Muigs, and has 24 comments, and has received 20 hearts from Shifting News. And the last comment he made was on sad reality about Nairobi's Moi Avenue, and he said, Nairobi is such an eyesore. I pity people who have to put up with this garbage every day. Construction debris everywhere, incomplete projects. And I think that is one of the concerns among Nairobians and even among Kenya. We have some projects that have been started but currently not completed. So we hope our authorities will work on that and probably come up with measures to ensure some of these projects are completed. And lastly, we have Chris the Dog. Chris the Dog is one of our supporters, and he has a channel. You can visit Chris the Dog, subscribe to his channel, and also comment. Let's support each other. So Chris the Dog, when we open this, so he has received one of the highest number of hearts from Shifting News, that is 39. And we have 41 comments under his name. And the last comment he made was when we were doing a video of Nairobi roads while we were just crossing through Upper Hill, and he said amazing. And for sure, some of these videos are so scenic in that when you are using these roads, you feel that amazing feeling, that scenic. So that is the top highlights for the community tab this week, and we say thank you for all those who have been mentioned, and for those who have channels, you can also visit them, such that it's one of the support we always need, or we always appreciate from your side. So for our new visitors also, you join this amazing family. We'll be here to just welcome you to this wonderful family. And let me check if there is something else we need to highlight. But we say from us, you mean a lot. And we'll be here to show you Nairobi and beyond. And if you're outside there, you wanna wish to work with us, maybe you are dealing with transport. We have had many people who are requesting some other areas, some of our fans. We have had people who have requested a tour to the coastal region. And we say, if you're outside there and you wanna support us, say like take us on a tour to Mombasa, we'll feel privileged and we'll be here to say thank you, and we'll be here to show people, and also we'll be here to do business with you. One way of doing business with you, supporting us, it's just by appreciating what we do. Take us on a tour, and we'll make sure that we're also giving you what you'll have requested. And that is the amazing work we do here at Shifting News. And thanks to our international audience, we have had some people who have been texting us via WhatsApp from the US and from other places, and we say thank you for the continued support. And probably we come to the end of this video. So finally, if you want to be featured in next week's Community Spotlight, one thing that you should do, if you are a new visitor, subscribe, then comment on our latest videos. You can always give thoughtful comments, and maybe YouTube will pick you, because sometimes YouTube has a way of picking the thoughtful comments. Then like and share the videos, since it helps more people discover the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video that we upload. And next week we are working on something is coming up next week, so stay tuned, because we are here to bring you good content. Thanks again for being the best community on YouTube. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and see you in our next one. Cheers. If you missed most of our episodes, no wahala, no problem. You can always recheck them, because all of them are here in this. If you check our playlist, all our videos are there. So thank you. See you in our next video, probably coming later today or any other day, and we'll feel humbled for the support you continue giving us. Thank you, and see you. Bye bye.